In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a subscription on your Wix page. First things first, head over to wix.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the Edit Site section. This is crucial because you'll need to open the specific website where you plan to offer your subscription services. Make sure that both Wix stores and Wix paid plans are installed, as these are vital for managing subscriptions effectively. Next, let's move on to the Pages and Menu area. Go ahead and click on the Pricing Plans pages. This is where you'll set up your subscription offerings. You'll find an option for Plans and Pricing, and you should select it to continue customizing your subscription plans. Once you're in, look for the option to Manage Plans. Here's where the nitty-gritty details come into play. Click on Get Started, where you'll begin the process of creating the subscription plan itself. You're then going to click on Create Plan. This step is key because it allows you to define what your subscription plan will entail. You'll need to enter a plan name. Let's use Premium Membership as an example. Providing a thorough description is essential. Include the benefits of the subscription, what users will receive, such as content or products, and any terms and conditions that apply. This clarity helps to manage your customers' expectations. Don't forget to set the plan price and determine the billing frequency, whether monthly, quarterly, or annually. Configuring access levels is another important factor. You might want to assign the plan to a specific page or area in your site that only members can access. Subscribers should automatically gain access once they complete their payment. This ensures a seamless experience. Once you've got your plan details sorted out, hit Save to lock it all in. Then, head over to the dashboard, navigate to Settings, and click on Accept Payments. This is where you set up your payment methods. Enable gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or credit debit cards to make the transaction process smooth for your subscribers. Now go to the page where you want to offer the subscription and add a subscribe button using the Wix editor. Link this button directly to your paid plan so users can easily sign up. Customize the button's text, color, and layout to match the aesthetic of your site, making it appealing and noticeable. When you're satisfied with your setup, remember to click Done so that all your hard work is saved. Finally, you'll want to publish the page and test the subscription flow yourself to ensure everything from payment to access works seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, make the necessary adjustments to refine the user experience. And there you have it, a complete guide to selling a subscription on your Wix page.